Baking has always been something that I've loved to do. When my parents bought me my first Easy Bake oven, I was hooked. To be able to come to school and go from being, a good home baker to a pastry chef was just amazing to me.
I studied pre-anthropology at GRCC. I always had a big interest in archaeology and stuff when I was even back in high school.
I didn't really know what to expect coming to GRCC, but I was just looking for some education, and then it put me in a really good position. I'm actually going to be going much further than I ever thought that I would, so it's really cool.
I wanted to pursue a career in technology, and I jumped at the opportunity to do the job training, the apprenticeship here.
That kind of led me to my journey of wanting to become a nurse, and I had heard some really great things about GRCC's program. I wanted to be one of those people.
One of the things that I found at GRCC was just a huge support system, encouragement from people like Dr. Lepper all the way down to Tiny, the man who cleaned our building. I just really felt like I was a part of something, a community.
I got to meet a lot of different people, and we're all from different backgrounds and have different struggles, so it really makes you feel like you're part of something, like you're part of a team. And I think GRCC does a good job of cultivating that too.
I wanted to have a full college experience when I came back, and I did struggle with imposter syndrome at first, but then I talked to people about it, and pretty much everybody suffers from that.
And I was scary. It was intimidating to be, somebody in your late 50s going to school with young people, but it was just the best experience. I never felt like I was out of place. I fit right in with everybody.
It's more than just showing up to class and doing the work. I want to actually be supportive and make a difference and, like I said, be an asset somewhere. So there was a part of me that I had to dig in and learn that too.
I've always been the kind of person who's I could do whatever I want to do if I try hard enough. I didn't know what would be coming for me, especially on my first day. I was just excited to learn. I was just excited to be in class. Being somebody who, ended up getting their GED and never graduated, it was such a huge goal for me to go through college and get my degree.
Pretty much anybody that will talk to me, I tell about the Reconnect program. It was just a fabulous opportunity for me. I come from a really large family, and I'm the first one to be able to go to college.
It was never a matter of doubt. It was more so, did I have the strength and the focus and the grit to just see this through and pick up the pieces to start something new? It's kind of fuzzy at first. You don't know what to do. You don't know what steps to take. So I think the support from my professor and the academic advising team, those check-ins just to keep me motivated and encouraged really, really helped me see it through.
I had not been in school for 40 years. And to have to ask my grandson, who's 16, how to, do Word was pretty humbling, but I'm really glad I had that support system.
Thinking about it is kind of overwhelming in a great way. I have felt almost embarrassed to tell people about this because I'm just I don't want to be boastful, but it's really exciting and fun, and I'm excited to see my friends on the stage. Wearing a gown and cap is just something I didn't ever really picture, and I haven't done that since I graduated high school a couple decades ago.
I just started getting opportunities. The first one was getting plugged into honors, and it asked, be the change you want to see, and why not me? Sorry. And that really resonated with me because I wanted to see change, and I'm I can do this. And so I went to my youngest son, and I'm I'm going to do this, 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 and this. And he's I really hope you can. That's a lot, Mom. And I called him up the other day, and I said, I ticked all those boxes, and I'm going to go on and make new boxes, and it's been pretty exciting.
You have to decide every single day that this is something you want to commit to.
Don't give up. If it's something that you really want and that's your path, then you can do it. Find the people that will support you through it and keep those people close to you, and you can do it. Like, truly, just don't give up on yourself.